Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Thursday the 10th of August with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. I'm going to look at dollar yen now, and dollar yen has been sort of hit by that safe haven flow into the yen in the last couple of days, following on from these geopolitical tensions surrounding US and North Korea. That sort of took a little bit of a rebound yesterday into the close, and you actually closed above the midpoint of the day, so that would be considered to be not as bad as possibly could have been. The market is still slipping a bit, sort of 15 ticks down on the day, and you look at these momentum indicators, you'd say, well, they are actually sort of back at these levels that they were back in those June lows, really, and it's not excessively negative. But the market is still negatively configured. I've been talking about a test of these June lows, and certainly the 50% fib at 109.35. Been talking about that for a while, and I still think that could well be seen. But I would say that I think the downside potential is beginning to possibly wane a touch. And I don't necessarily think these June lows, I don't necessarily, for example, think that we're going to see a move back to the April lows. I think we could see another sort of move back to that fib level and then start to find support. Already yesterday's low was 109.53, so not a million miles from that fib level. Today, as I said, creeping lower a little bit, and you'd sort of point to this hourly chart and you still say, well, it is got sort of more negative configuration still on the momentum indicators. It's interesting that we sort of found resistance around that 110.20 level that the market had previously found support. Bit of a pivot level, actually, isn't it? 110.20. But yeah, it's sort of drifting off. I'm not going to say this is exceptionally sort of bearish, because I don't necessarily think it is anymore. I think this is still going to be sort of playing out as sort of a medium-term range play. And I think it's not a million miles away from the big lows of this range. So, for example, I'm not expecting it to sort of break decisively down from this range. I think it's going to continue to play the range. So I think that you're not a million miles away from support coming in. It's just a matter of when it happens, I think. But with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading. And I will speak to you later. Thank you.